Hey there, welcome to my channel. You are in the right place if you want to learn Android. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload anything new. Let's get started. Launch the Android Studio and start a new project. Select an empty activity for an empty interface. Now configure your project and name the application. Select the minimum API level, select Android 5.0. This will make your app run on maximum devices. Click Finish. After clicking Finish, the Gradle sync will start. The time it takes depends on your system configuration. Here you can see that two processes are running on my screen. After synchronization, two pages opens up, an activity main.xml page and a main activity.java page. Let me first delete the hello world text from here, we don't need it. Now the activity is looking clean. Return to activity main.xml page. Here, I am first changing the background color of the activity. This will make the activity colorful. I am setting an orange background here. To set the background color, we first need to create a color in the color resource folder. Copy any syntax and paste it here. Set your desired color like this. You can also write the hex codes. After defining the color, rename this portion. You can also change the color of your action bar. Black looks good with orange. Now return to activity main.xml page and add the color. After adding the color, you can see that the background of the activity changes. Now it's looking good. Now add a button and set its width and height to wrap content. Here I am customizing the button. You can do it in your own way. Assign the button's text, its size, and its color. You can also change the size and style of the text. Look. Change the layout type to relative layout. This will help us in placing the views relatively. This is how I center the button by using this attribute. You can also change the size of the button by changing its width and height. Keep it rectangle. Now I am assigning this button an ID. An ID is used for defining a resource. After assigning an ID, we need to set a onClick listener to this button. You may use onClick listener when you want your components to react when user clicks on them. It will show an error. Click on the error and select Create Button View in Main Activity. This will automatically create a new method in Main Activity. When a user clicks that button, this particular method will be triggered. That's because of that onClick listener. Now I am defining a button variable. The variable btn needs the view of that button we just created. Find view by ID is a method that finds the view from the layout resource file that are attached with current activity. R is a class in Android that are having the IDs of all the views. Now let's add a toast in this method. It is very simple. Look. You can write your custom text here. In the Android SDK, an Android.widget.toast is a small message that pops up at the bottom of the screen to display a piece of information. The toast will disappear by itself after a specified duration. Now running the code, hope it works. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload anything new. Thank you for watching this video.